Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to go ahead and do this soft glam purple eye look for you guys. Again, this is another everyday look that you can wear on any occasion, whether that's school, work, or some type of special um, event or celebration for you. And I just wanted to do this look so that everybody can try to mimic this look. Now, this look I was going for was kind of tough because I didn't know what I was going for at that moment. And at the end, it all came out great, and you guys will see. Hey, you guys, welcome. So, I'm starting off with the LA Pro Girl concealer, and I did apply this earlier on, but the video had an error and so it got lost. So that's why you see me with my eyeshadow somewhat already done. But I went on ahead and applied the concealer. Then that color I just showed you on an eyeshadow palette, I applied it with that angle brush that I'm showing you now, and I just applied that on my lower lash, like my lash line, and in my crease area. I was trying something different this time. Then I'm just blending out that concealer because my eyelids were creasing. Then I'm going in with that firm blending brush, and I'm going to just be blending and adding a little bit more of that color that I use in the first color, which is the only color at the moment. And I'm just adding to it. That's how I really feel. I'm like, I don't know what I'm going for. Going in with that light shade. I applied this light shade with my finger, but I did end up changing the shade color because it didn't look right at this point. So I wanted to change it up to me. So I'm just patting in that lighter eyeshadow color onto my lid. And I'm going to go in with this blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out that shade into my crease area just so that it can blend seamlessly with the other shade. Then I'm going to blend out that crease area and add more color to it to make it pop a little bit more. So after adding that black liner to my eye, I went in with this darker shimmer purple shade color, and I applied that on the black eyeliner. It really did not go in my favor because I thought that it would make the purple more pigmented, but it did not do that. So the next time I do something like this, I will definitely be going in with just a regular black eyeliner pencil. But I'm just creating some definition with that darker shimmer purple that I applied on that black liner, and we're gonna see what we come up with. I think here is when I start adding, okay, yeah, I blend in that purple. I'm guessing it's the shimmer purple, but for some reason it don't look like that. It looked like the first purple I applied. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm blending it in to see how it looks and come out. Anywho, going in with that black because y'all know I love black. I'm just going to blend that in, give it more definition to the outer corner of my eye. So I'm going to stop rambling and have you guys watch. Okay, you guys, so this is actually where I went in and added that lighter pink purple shade because the white light or whatever color that was just was not working for me, and I feel like I needed a little bit more color added, so I just went in with that shade. And I'm adding some more of that shimmer darker purple on that lash line to make it pop a little bit more. But yeah. Okay, so I just got done putting on my Sephora mascara. Then I'm going in with those lashes, and here are they, or here they are. Now I'm going ahead and work with my bottom lower lash line. I'm just going to add the shades that I added to the top of my eyes on my eyelids. I believe I used like two purples and black eyeshadow for the bottom lash. You guys remember, this look can be worn anywhere, for school, for work, for baby shower, special occasion, Valentine's Day. You know, we are in the month of February, so this is a nice Valentine's Day look as well. But this is a nice soft glam purple look that you can do on your eyes and you can get away with it. It's not overbearing and it's not too much. On this channel, I want you guys to be able to perform. And if you can't get your makeup done by me or another makeup artist, at least you have a video to go off of. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going in with this brow gel, this dark brown brow gel to lay down my eyebrows. And I actually like it. It's really nice. It works. Then I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. I really love it. It's very soft and shimmer lightly. I'm going to apply that underneath my brow bone. So yes, you guys, please be sure to like this video. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, SBE Aesthetics. If you don't know my name is Champagne. And I also have a Facebook page, SBE Aesthetics, and Instagram, SBE Aesthetics, where I post pictures, tips about certain makeup or skincare, anything in that beauty field. I am the person. Ciao. Thank you.